Online nominations and recommendations for the Padma Award 2025 have begun. The last date for nominations for Padma Award is the 15th of September 2024. BRS Chief H. Chandrasekhar Rao held a roadshow in Mahabubnagar last evening when ECI served orders barring him from campaigning for 48 hours. The tea industry in North Bengal is currently facing significant challenges due to a prolonged heat wave affecting the region. India's permanent representative to the United Nations, Ruchira Kamboj, has said India is committed to a two-state solution for Palestinian and Israel. In IPL cricket, Punjab Kings beat Chennai Super Kings by 7 wickets at MH Dambram Stadium in Chennai.